Good morning, my crafty peeps, my crafty friends, my crafty subscribers, my family, friends, relatives. Welcome to the channel. We today are going to start on, I'm going to do a couple of things off camera, but I'll come back and show you on camera how they turned out. First of all, we're going to put in some magnets on these corners right here that don't quite stay closed the way I like for them to. Oops, sorry about that. And then we're going to sew around these three edges because remember, let me put my coffee down. Remember that our pages pull out, right? They're going to slide in here and then they'll pull out. And then this little girl will flip out. You'll have journaling space here. And I plan on, I'm pretty sure, to cover this up with a piece of lace, just to make it look nice. And I chose her because look how well she matches. She's got this. She's a traveler. She likes to travel, and this is her happy place, right? Those tied in nicely. And then I chose this one because these guys all live here and love to plant stuff here, and they all hang out with their little friends and they're just all having fun. It kind of ties in with the yellow birdhouse, the daisies, all of this just kind of tied in. Okay, and then we're going to turn the page and I'm going to make some tabs for these two. And then this one says the best day because that little girl that loves to travel took her friends up in her balloon. Okay, they all got to go up in a balloon. And then these guys, happy with you. She likes just being here with her friends and family. And this girl is listening to how much fun her best friends had on their date. Doesn't it all just tie in so well? So I think I got a few things to do. We're not done. I'm going to make a few more pieces of ephemera for here, but for now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to get the rest of my heart sewn in. And so when we come back, we'll be putting our magnets in. We'll be gluing this down. We'll just be doing some dress up and housekeeping, and I'm going to go get some different colored laces to tie it all in. I think I may put lace on this edge and lace on this edge so that just when you open it up, it tells this beautiful, beautiful, fun best friends story. And then I want to get these lined up and marked so I know they're even, right? But for now, I'm going to go sew, and when we come back, we'll get these all glued in and sewn and glued, and we'll get our magnets in, and the next time you see this, it should be done. Oh no, I got two more steps I think on this one. I want to make the postcards that will slide into the album. These get sewn together, and then I'm going to make a postcard with a tab on this edge that goes in, and then so we'll have some tabs here down the book. Oh, this is going to be so cute. Yep, going to be adorable. All right, so I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to sew and magically glue, and then next week when you see this one, that'll all be done. All right, let's talk about the other book. The other journal today, we are going to add probably a couple of those blue butterflies I got from the Dollar Tree on the front. And then I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to get all my ribbons sewn on here. And then I'm going to glue in all my pockets. I'm going to go through my the March piece. So see, look, we got a blue butterfly there that comes up. Oh, I got to be careful because remember that we're going to put, maybe I should put it, how cute would that look? Yes, I like that idea. Let's just put a little extra glue there, though. I kind of like that idea. What was I saying? Oh, I got to make room for the lace on top. Yeah, so we'll put that little guy there. Then I may want one on her heart. Yes, we do. So next week, what I was saying is when we come back, I should have all of the lace on there. I'm going to pick colors that blend. There we go. I'm going to go through here and pick colors that blend. Boy, did that wake up, didn't it? Just little things like that that you can add completely changes how a cover looks. So there we go. All right, so now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to sew those pages. I'm going to attach those magnets. And next week, we're going to get together and we're going to do more on decorating this. We're embellishing it. I'm going to have all my besties cut out. I hope you're going over to Sandy's store to buy your pre-printed, ready to go, pre-packed, beautiful besties to go with this project. There, I was saying you could do a whole birthday themed party with this. You could do baby shower. You could do Mother's Day. Maybe it's a brand new mom. You could do baby books, milestones. This could be a travel journal. You could create a travel journal out of it. If you go over to see what Dahlia's done, you will just, her folio with this was just absolutely beautiful. I mean, like, you could not buy a folio like she made, honestly. It's just that beautiful. So hop on over there, get your eyes and heart filled with some of what these crafty ladies are doing. Edwina was doing things that you could hang on the wall with some stuff that her husband had saved for her that are made out of wood, and you could put them on the wall. Oh my goodness. Mermaid Co. Studio will just blow your mind with her stuff. And Denise as well. They're both, I think Denise was doing, oh boy, I don't want to spoil it all for you. Go over and see what she made. Jenny, oh Lord, the woman can make anything. And Sandy, of course, same. They can just make anything, guys. So with that being said, I encourage you to go over there and be entertained. You'll lose hours just watching them, but also learn some really cool crafty things. All right, guys, with that being said, I'm going to find my mouse and I'm going to click out of this video. I'm going to get to sewing, and I will see you guys next week. Have a great rest of your week. Oh, no, I can't go yet, can I? We were going to do this. Oh, but you know what I did? I used all my postcards. That's okay. We'll make more. We'll make more. I forgot. Use my code. Get a picture of this. And then you get 15% off your card at checkout. This also works with sales. Sandy has a beautiful newsletter she puts out. That way you don't miss out on anything she's doing. And I almost forgot. Make a wish. On Wednesdays, make a wish. I got my wish granted by Edwina. And while you're looking at these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous papers that Sandy's putting out, I'm going to grab what I bought, or what I got, what's wrong with me? What Edwina sent to me in the mail. I did unwrap it, guys. I couldn't wait. It was an Easter themed set. It was made with one of Sandy's kits. And wait till now one part of it wasn't Sandy's kit. She asked me if I sewed, and I said yes I do. And so I was thinking, what is she sending me? Is she going to send me fabric? What is she doing? She sent me this. Is that not beautiful? And that's not all. You open it very gently. There's a little pair of scissors. There's some thread. There's a needle threader, which I desperately need. And look at the little pen cushion made with a button and some lace. There's the thread. And look at the beautiful little cards. That was the first one. I about fell out of my chair when I saw this. It was like, this woman, and in the top are your needles. It's got everything, guys. It has everything. So this sits on my desk here at home, so I can look at it. And every time I look at it, I think of how wonderful Edwina is. So next up are the pieces. The collection comes from Sandy. It's one of her collections. And this will be another reason why you're going to want to get over there. I swear. Look at the birdhouse, guys. Look at the birdhouse she made from Sandy's collection. A little place there for him to hang on. I just love it. So I think this is going to sit on my desk at work. I truly do. It is just so cute. So I've got that. And then she sent me this. Look at this. I didn't open this. I'm going to open it right now. This is just too cute. All of it. Look at the little tag she made from a piece of Sandy's collection. I'm going to keep that for this. In fact, I may be making these for the page tabs yet. I'm not. I'm still giving that some thought. What do we got? This beautiful little egg. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a little egg. Hey, and it's got a treat in it. Look. It's got a little, looks like a butterfly. Yes, it's a butterfly marshmallow. Marshmallow cake. I'll have that with coffee. And then I think I'll fill this with a set of Post-its. See, isn't that just too cute? You have to get over to it is Decorate Your Life on Facebook, okay? Go over to Facebook, get signed up. Look at this. Time flies. Wow. And hi, Rhonda. Your wish has been granted. Enjoy the goodies. Love, Edwina. P.S. I'm sorry it took so long. It didn't. It didn't. She is such a wonderful person. Okay, look at that. Now I can decorate my desk. I can decorate my desk with Decorate Your Life. How about that? So anyhow, that was gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to put this in the book somewhere. Maybe in the regular journal. In this one. I'll put that. That is so sweet. I get to use it all. I get to use it all. I'm going to eat that treat too before my husband sees it. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to close off here. I'm going to sew those pieces, and I want to hang this up. I can hang it right there. I have a spot for it. There we go. Okay, guys, thank you for being with me this morning. Bless y'all's crafty hearts, and I'll see you when we come back here again in the next episode, where we are going to alter this journal by putting our postcard and our besties on there, right? Or maybe I'll just cut out Granny or one of the girls. Look, isn't she so cute? She's kind of like a little hippie. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Ooh, the duck. This one's good too. Maybe I'll use that one. The teapot's good. I could see like tea, spilling the tea with friends in this journal. Maybe just put when you have an outing with your friend. I don't know. I really like the postcards on there, so that's probably what I'm going to go with. It's the postcards, guys. Truly. All right. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like I said, thank you for making my channel what it is. I appreciate a thumbs up and a comment, and I will catch you in the next video. coming up Tuesday. All right, guys. See you on Tuesday. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.